Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So in this episode we're going to check out a fair few waterfalls around the area. So I'm still around Cairns. I've gone inland a little bit and it's been raining so much the last couple of weeks, and yeah, I thought about where I wanted to go today and I was like, waterfalls are perfect for that. They'll be absolutely pumping. So I have just pulled up to Miller Circuit. It's about a 15k loop circuit, so there's 3 different waterfalls. But before we go down and check it out, I actually do want to show you guys something that I just recently bought. So that is obviously a map of Australia, and I wanted to get that to tick off every single spot that I've shown you guys on YouTube. So I personally have actually seen a lot more spots than that. But yeah, I wanted to have a reference so you guys know what you've seen. We still have to do Tassie. That's what we've done of the East Coast all the way up to F&Q. Darwin, we've done a fair bit of WA, but I'm going to spend a lot of time there next year as well. So that is everything that we've done. And that doesn't even show all the islands that I want to show you guys. We've still got all the outback tracks of Oz to tick off too. So yeah, you guys are going to be stuck with me for a little while because I want to have that completely filled eventually. It's going to take me years, but I thought it could be pretty cool to do that as well. So at the end of each episode, we can tick off where we just were. And yeah, it's a good reference. So we'll go down and check out this waterfall. I can already hear it. I'm pretty sure it's flowing quite a fair bit. So let's go check it out. I have recently finished hooking up the solar, so it's this one just here, if my screen wants to actually focus on it. Come on. There we go. So it actually does work pretty good, even in the shade too. I mean, I'm not parked in the sunlight now, but at least my battery will never run out, which is super handy. Now the sun's come out, you can actually see the big difference that it makes. It actually has just started drizzling a little bit, so I'll just wait for that to pass. The weather changes so quickly here. But another little update on the car is I have just recently ordered a tow bar. I don't have any recovery points on the back, so I do need one. And now I can tow stuff too, well, when it comes. So I can take my car on adventures even when I'm with Jazz too with her jet ski. So I paid the deposit on that. I'm just waiting for it to actually get here. So hopefully that's in the next video. While I'm still talking about car stuff, I've done about 5,000 Ks now with the new wheels and tyres. So Predator tyre in size 265. And they got the ROH Onyx design in the 17-inch, and yeah, they're both doing really good. We have just pulled into Zilly Falls, so that last one was Miller Falls, and now this one is Zilly. and final waterfall. So this is Alinja Falls, and from memory this was actually my favourite. It is a little bit of a longer walk than the rest, but yeah, super pretty at the end. Have found a campground, so it's probably like 40 minutes away from where those waterfalls were, and yeah, the sun has decided to now come back out, so it should be pretty good. We're going to camp by a lake tonight. I actually did just buy a lighter so we can hopefully have a fire, so it's got a little bit more of a drive and then we'll get to our spot. Alright, we've found a camp spot. I actually do really like it here. I've just been chilling out, watching the lake, and yeah, I actually just got really hungry, so I think I'm going to have a bit of an early dinner tonight. I actually have some stir fry that I made the other day that I'll probably just heat up. I hate cooking, so whenever I do, I try and make like a big batch so I can just keep it in the fridge and yeah, have it as leftover the next day. It did just get super windy here, and because I'm on the corner, the wind is just like blowing into the fire. So it's sort of lit, I just don't know if it's actually going to stay lit. That sun is almost about to go down. It's probably got maybe like 20 minutes until it goes behind that mountain. I am just going to relax for a little bit longer and then I'll probably just jump into bed because it does get dark pretty quick. I'll sit by the fire for a little bit more though. I don't even need a fire. It's actually really hot right now. But there's just something about having a fire when you're camping and I just really like the smell of it as well. But yeah, we'll wrap this video up here. So thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you liked those waterfalls too. And yeah, thank you so much for supporting me, for watching me. If you like, comment, I read all of them. Thank you so much, and I'll see you guys in the next one.